How wild are these rapids going to be?
There's none.
Oh, damn. That's no fun.
It's smooth. Every once in a while, if the water's slow, you gotta pick up the canoe and walk across the rocks and settle back down. Or you have to scoot.
Do you avoid it?
Sometimes you can't.
I've never had to worry about that.
Every once in a while, you have some low water that you gotta get.
This is Austin Casper spread.
Sometimes you gotta do the motion of the ocean.
We'll get it done. We'll be alright.
A boy.
Really?
Who just crop dusted? You mother...
You son of a bitch!
Michael!
Hey, right here. This is going on YouTube. This is going on YouTube. You slob.
I think Sophie died.
It's my husband. That's why I married him.
Did you at least
Crop
like
dust
get
him
her
again.
flail in her arms?
Yeah.
Right in my face!
What's wrong with you, son?
Pretend mosquitoes around you. She's like, don't care anymore.
That was disgusting. You got 2 sticks? Make a fire? This will be time lapse for you guys. Time to explore the path. So awesome. I'm not wearing... You guys got better footwear than I do. I'm pretty sure I just stepped in bear pee. Note to self, next time bring water shoes. Did you?
it says bring water shoes, bring water.
I really need to start reading text all the way. Instead of
Better.
just...
At least you got foot one. Oh! That sucks.
Oh, this is kind of shallow. Isn't it beautiful?
Yes, it is.
That was good. Come on.
Just kidding, Mike. Just kidding.
Oh, is this voice?
What is silent movie era?
We'll go on a separate walk with them. I need to take Michael on a walk. Come on.
Watch this.
Sweet! I don't think I got it.
Well, we don't want to get that on. We don't want that.
So what happened was I got lost and I found a mics. This is my mic. You got a mic and I got a mic.
We all got a mic.
Here, we'll bring these two guys in. You got one of those? Good.
Bring it, Eric.
Yeah, everybody likes that one. Oh, this one's it. Ah, what is that?
Them city folk. Oh my God, I got it in the camera.
Get her, get her.
No.